In this video, we will show you the use of VM backup and explain how it works. You will learn how to create and restore backups, as well as how to schedule your backups. VM backup secures your virtual machines on a network share. It uses a method where duplicate data blocks are only backed up once. This results in significantly smaller backup files compared to traditional incremental backups. Now let's start configuring VM backup. First, we need to set up the target server for the backups. For this, click on Backup Server in the overview. Enter the login credentials for your backup server here. Select the target directory on the backup server. After configuring backup server, we can now use it for backup and restore of our virtual machines. To create a schedule for the backup, select the option Create Schedule for Network Backup on NES. Decide whether you want to automatically back up all current and future VMs created or if you want to manually select the VMs to be backed up. In this video, we will manually select the virtual machines. Mark the VMs you want to back up and click Add to move them to the right side. Select the target backup server that you wish to use. Select the days and the start time for the backup. The maximum number determines how many backups should be kept on the target server. The maximum retention time specifies how many days the backups should remain on the target server before being deleted. You can also set up email notifications that will either report only errors or inform you about every performed backup. After creation, the backup schedule appears in the overview. To start the plan immediately, click on Start Now. You can monitor the progress in the backup overview. To restore a virtual machine, click on Restore. Select the backup server. The wizard will scan all VMs on the backup server and then display them. Select the backup archive. If there is already a VM with the same name on the server, you have the option to either create a new virtual machine or replace the existing one. In this video, we will create a new virtual machine. Enter a name for the new VM. Select the target drive. Check all details and then start the restore. After the restore, the new VM is displayed in the overview of VM management. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about topics like storage, virtualization, and many other exciting IT topics, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you ensure you'll stay up to date and won't miss any of our future content. Just click on the subscribe button and don't forget to activate the bell to receive notifications for new videos. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.